Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, let's see how to solve question number 2 of exercise 5.2. Okay, so we are given choose the correct choice in the following and justify. We are given two questions now. The first question is the 30th term of an AP 10, 7, 4, so and so on is what? Okay, now we'll have to find what is the 30th term of the given AP. Now what is the given AP here? So the AP here is 10, 7, 4 and so on. And we'll have to find what is the 30th term. That is basically A30. So we'll have to find what is A30. Now let's write what is the formula. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we need A. So A is the first term. So A is equal to 10, which is given. And we need N now. So N is equal to, we need to find what is the 30th term. So N will be 30. And we need D also. So D is not mentioned. We'll have to find what is D. So let's find what is D now. So 10, 7, 4, and so on. Let's say A1, A2, A3, and so on. So D value is equal to A2 minus A1, which is nothing but 7 minus 10, which is equal to minus 3. So D value is equal to minus 3. Now let us find what is AN now. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A value is equal to 10. Okay, D N value is 30. So 30 minus 1. D value, we have got the answer as negative 3. Now we should find what is A30. So A30 is equal to, that is what is my number or what is the value in the 30th term. That's the meaning. So A30 is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1 will become 29. So 29 into minus 3. So A30 is equal to 29 into minus 3. So 27, 2, then 6, 7, 8. So minus 87. So 10 minus 87. So A30 is equal to, what is 10 minus 87? That will become minus 77. Okay, so let's see if the minus 77 is there in the option. Yeah, okay, in option C. So option C is the correct answer. So here, see here. So for the second question, first one, C 77, minus 77 is the correct answer. So the correct answer will be C, option C, is equal to minus 77. Okay, clear now? Let's move on to the second question now. Second question is the 11th term of an AP is what? Okay, now we'll have to find what is the 11th term of an AP. So for the second question, so question number 2, what is AP, given AP series? So given AP series is minus 3, minus 1 over 2, 2 and so on. And we need to find what is the 11th term of an AP. So basically A11 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, similar to the last question, A is given as minus 3 plus N. We know the value of N as 11 because we are finding what is the 11th term. So 11 minus 1 into D we need to find. So A1, A2, A3. So basically minus 3 minus 1 by 2, then 2. So D value is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 over 2, then minus A1 is minus 3. So we'll have to write within brackets. So which is equal to minus 1 over 2 plus 3. Take an LCM now. So 2 will be the LCM. So minus 1 plus multiplying by 2 becomes 6. So minus 1 plus 6 will become positive 5. So 5 over 2. So D value is equal to 5 over 2. So here write 5 over 2. So let's simplify. So minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 become 10. So 10 into 5 over 2. So which is equal to minus 3 plus, now cancel this one. So 2 and 10, you can cancel, that will become 5 now. So this will become 5 into 5 become 25. So minus 3 plus 25, that will become positive 22. So my 11th term, that is the value of A11 will be 22. Now see which is the correct option there. So 22. So B is the correct answer. So for question number subdivision 2, the answer will be B. The answer B, which is, so the 11th term of the given series will be 22. Fine, easy, clear? Okay, so in the next video, we will see how to solve question number 3. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.